Kroketten.
Croquettes, oh yeah. Nice to think of us like that.
I have to. I'm gonna open them, and I'm gonna bring you one.
Okay. Something
You like them, eh?
Oh, I love them.
There we
Very
go.
delicious.
Kroketten. Kroketten. Kroketten.
Oh, he bring it again.
Kroketten.
How are you?
Kroketten.
Yeah.
Ja,
How are you?
ja, kroketten.
Hello.
Hi,
Nice to see you.
hi,
Hello.
hi, hi.
Yeah.
Kroketten.
Long
1,
time
2,
no see.
3, 4, 5. I've got 5 kroketten.
5. Wow.
Ja,
Long
We in
time
luck.
no see.
ja.
Where have you been?
I've been in McDonald's, Anneke.
Oh,
McDonald's.
haven't seen you for a while.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I've been busy.
What are
Kroketten.
you doing?
Okay, Kim, you can guess them out. One for
Okay,
One
one
for-
each. Thank you.
one
Here,
for,
I can try.
I want to try what is that? I don't know.
See, he
Oh,
makes
you like
special
that,
it.
Danny?
Yeah?
He makes
Yeah.
special it. I don't know how to make it yet. I never make it. You make. You
It's
cook
a
the
Dutch.
chicken.
It's a Dutch cookie.
yeah, yeah.
Can't know.
Yeah.
But Martin don't know how to make it.
No.
But they know how to eat on it.
Yeah, yeah.
He
that
knows
is
how
right.
to eat.
He had one in McDonald's
Oh, you
Yeah.
want already?
Today already?
on Monday. No, Monday.
Oh, yesterday.
Yeah?
No,
Oh.
no, Wednesday it was. It's Wednesday today. Yes.
You can make it and fry it, and when you want, you can fry it.
Is it?
Yeah.
This one already fried?
Yeah, he
Where is
fry it.
Brian?
Okay. Oh, he went home.
Here, get the,
Oh.
get
He
the
was here
towel.
earlier, and he went home to
Let's
work.
see what is that.